Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In the world of photography, innovation and anticipation go hand in hand, and the wait for Fujifilm's next big release, the X Pro4, has certainly stirred up excitement. It's been over 3 years since the introduction of the Fujifilm X Pro4, a model that helped set the standard for hybrid digital rangefinders. Now, as we edge closer to the unveiling of its successor, the X Pro4, the excitement among enthusiasts is palpable. For years, the X Pro series has been known for its stylish design and advanced functionality, making it a favorite among both professionals and passionate amateurs. With the X Pro3 nearing the end of its life cycle, rumors of an X Pro4 have been circulating, fueled by a growing demand for new cutting-edge features in the mid-range and high-end camera market. In this video, let's explore everything we know so far about the Fujifilm X Pro4, the potential upgrades, and what Fujifilm might do to stay ahead in the highly competitive camera market. What's new with the Fujifilm X Pro4? As the next iteration of the iconic X Pro line, the X Pro4 is expected to come with some significant upgrades. Central to these rumors is the inclusion of a 40-megapixel APS-C X-Trans 5 BSI sensor. This sensor is rumored to be paired with the latest XP Processor 5, which will allow for exceptional image quality and performance, including 4K video recording at 60 FPS in high-quality 10-bit format. For videographers and content creators, this is a game-changer, as it would place the X Pro4 in direct competition with some of the top cameras on the market today. In-body image stabilization, a long-awaited feature. One of the most exciting, rumored, features of the X Pro4 is the addition of in-body image stabilization, IBIS. With the X Pro series traditionally relying on lens-based stabilization, the move to a 7-stop IBIS system would be a huge leap forward. This would make the X Pro4 not only more versatile, but also a more attractive option for videographers and photographers who rely on handheld shooting in diverse conditions. This change would elevate the overall user experience, ensuring that the X Pro4 remains relevant in the face of growing competition from other high-end cameras. New user interface. And autofocus system. Another major upgrade expected for the X Pro4 is the overhaul of the user interface and menu system. With a more intuitive design, navigating through the camera's features will likely be faster and easier, improving the overall user experience. Additionally, Fujifilm is rumored to introduce a new autofocus system similar to that seen in the Fujifilm X-T5, which would provide faster and more accurate focusing. This is an area where Fujifilm has been catching up to its competitors, so the inclusion of this new system would make the X Pro4 a strong contender in the competitive mirrorless camera market, a shift to a more luxurious line. Fujifilm has always had a dedicated fan base for its high-quality, stylish cameras, but in recent years, the brand has faced stiff competition from other manufacturers like Leica and Sony. To compete with the likes of Leica, there is speculation that Fujifilm may reposition the X Pro series as a more luxurious line. This could mean improvements in the build quality, a larger and higher magnification electronic viewfinder, and perhaps even a higher-end sensor. By offering a more premium product, Fujifilm could appeal to a more niche, design-conscious crowd, while continuing to serve its loyal fan base of professional photographers. The Leica influence and optical. Viewfinder. The X Pro4 is expected to carry forward Fujifilm's trademark optical viewfinder, but with some enhancements that take inspiration from Leica's M-series cameras. For example, there might be a new 18mm frame within the optical viewfinder, providing greater flexibility for photographers. While some enthusiasts may debate whether this will truly compare to Leica's legendary rangefinder system, it's clear that Fujifilm is committed to providing photographers with a unique and functional experience that combines nostalgia with modern tech. Potential features for the X Pro 440 mAh. APS-C X-Trans 5 BSI sensor, the heart of the X Pro 4, promising superior image quality and processing speed. X Processor 5, a powerful image processor that supports 4K video recording at 60 FPS and high-quality 10-bit color depth. In-body image stabilization, IBIS, a significant upgrade for handheld shooting and video work, offering 7 stops of stabilization. New autofocus system, a more advanced autofocus system for faster and more precise focusing, especially in low light. Luxury build and design. improvements to the viewfinder, and overall camera build quality. To compete with premium brands like Leica, when can we expect the X Pro 4? The big question on everyone's mind is, when will the X Pro 4 be released? While there is no official confirmation yet, many believe that the camera could be unveiled during the upcoming holiday season. However, this is speculative, and Fujifilm may opt for a later release date to refine its features and ensure it meets market demand. In the meantime, the buzz continues to grow, and as always, Fujifilm fans are eagerly awaiting the next big announcement. A teaser of something new, the XF digital half-frame camera. Alongside the X Pro 4 rumors, Fujifilm has also teased a new concept, its first digital half-frame camera, the XF. While details remain scarce, the teaser video has sparked a lot of curiosity among the photography community. This small, compact camera could be designed with content creators in mind, offering portability without sacrificing creative potential. The teaser slogan, "Half the size, twice the story," suggests that Fujifilm is aiming for a lightweight, efficient design that's perfect for street photography and casual creators. The potential for this camera to blend classic design with modern technology has many enthusiasts excited. What we know about the new camera. The leaked image of the XF camera has created a buzz, showcasing a design that combines vintage aesthetics with modern functionality. It has a fixed Fujian lens, a wide aperture of f2.4, and boasts enhanced contrast and reduced flare thanks to the EBC electron beam coating. While the exact focal length remains under wraps, the inclusion of such a fast lens on a compact body suggests that this could be a great option for quick, spontaneous shooting. Another notable feature is the positioning of the shutter button, located at the center of the exposure compensation dial. This unique layout may offer a streamlined user experience, allowing quick manual adjustments without compromising the compact form factor. Furthermore, the inclusion of an optical viewfinder hints that Fujifilm is paying homage to traditional analog cameras. Final thoughts and speculations. Fujifilm's latest moves indicate that the company is serious about pushing the envelope in both the full-frame and half-frame camera markets. As it continues to experiment with new sensor sizes and ergonomic designs, it's clear that Fujifilm is focused on meeting the demands of both professional photographers and content creators. Whether it's the anticipated X Pro 4 or the XF half-frame camera, Fujifilm seems poised to offer something truly innovative. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep an eye on the latest developments and official announcements from Fujifilm. What are your thoughts on the X Pro 4's potential upgrades? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech news.